Okay, so it looks like the Galaxy S22 Ultra has officially leaked. Yeah, we just say leaked. We still take it with a grain of salt until the official product is announced and called whatever it's called, which we are still guessing is going to be called the S22 Ultra. But actually seeing how the device looks based on these leaks and also the renders, it looks to be taking the mantle of the Note. That kind of carries on the tech talk that we've been discussing about the state of the Note, and especially this year in 2021, not getting a Note 21 and especially a Note 21 Ultra. There was a void that was missing. And then seeing the continued S Pen support addition to the Galaxy S21 Ultra and also the Z Fold 3 kind of told a story that things were building up to a point where the Note might just be gone officially. But we said before doing that, it wasn't just going to be down to S Pen support. We did say once we see these devices in the future have S Pen embedded into the frame of the device, then we could be saying officially RIP to the Note series. Now that we've seen the alleged official leak of the S22 Ultra, does that mean the Note series is dead? Well, let's have another tech talk discussion video and really get to the bottom of it all. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. And as always, we like doing these tech talk videos in a more discussion style just to allow you, our SamMobile audience, to pretty much have your say as well, and pretty much jump in the comment section and pretty much let us know whether you're feeling the same, indifferent, or different to it all when it comes to the topic that we have at hand. And this time is to do with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now thinking about it, seeing the state of it based on these leaks and also the renders, taking it with a grain of salt and whatnot, looking at it, it just does look like a Note. It looks like a Note in terms of the design, the more boxy shape of it, the curves that come with it. It really does take the design of the Note. But it's not just the design and the looks alone. We said it before, it's more than just the S Pen support that comes with devices like the S21 Ultra, devices like the Z Fold 3, that make it a Note replacement. It's more of a complementary addition on a hardware support to software support rather than an outright Note replacement. We pretty much also agreed that it really took us a while to understand that when a device is called Note, it means you do not just get the S Pen support, but you also get the convenience of the S Pen being embedded in the body of the device for the convenience to use it when you need it, and also to store it away without having to worry about losing it and without having to spend extra as well. And we came to that conclusion that until we see that happen with any of the future S series, or especially with foldables, that until then, we can't really see the Note series die. Now we're seeing it like this, where potentially this could be the official S22 Ultra. Remember, it was the S21 Ultra that got the S Pen support and then passed on that same support onto the Z Fold 3. That was step one. Now it looks like step two is embedding the S Pen into the body. What does that mean for the Note series? The only thing we could really come to a conclusion, and that was more me, if I'm gonna actually say it, was that the only way I could possibly see the Note series still stay alive was a smaller Note. Do you remember the Galaxy Note 10? Not the Note 10 Plus, but the 6.3-inch pocket-sized Note device that was just an instant love at first sight. But anyway, that in itself seemed like a bit of a wild card because it didn't really make sense. You could actually get that S Pen support and the S Pen embedded into the smaller S series in the future. So maybe not that. But what does that actually mean? Seeing this, if this is officially what we're going to be getting with the S22 Ultra, it just means Samsung really need to focus on foldables, and they really need to knock it out of the park. Why? Because that Note device, it filled the gap at that period of time around that August to October period. We don't have it anymore. We didn't get the Note 21 or the Note 21 Ultra this year in 2021. So it just means that the focus on foldables really have to step up. And if it means we're getting S Pen embedded into the frame of the S22 Ultra, mind you, which might be called the Galaxy S22 Ultra Note Edition. Yeah, that might be something I might actually get used to and has a decent ring to it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. It just gives a clear indication that the Z Fold 4, or whichever Fold series is coming later on, needs to have the S Pen embedded into the frame. And if we do get that, is there a place in the space for the Note? I guess I'm gonna answer that question and pretty much say no. We see the S Pen embedded into the frame of the S22 Ultra Note Edition, and we see the same treatment that will maybe happen with the Z Fold 4, then it's pretty much safe to say that the Note series can officially hang up his cape, retire as the superhero that revolutionized the large display phones, where back in the day we were calling them phablets. Wow, how times have moved so quickly. But those are our thoughts when it comes to this Tech Talk discussion video. Let us know in the comment section below if you feel the same way, or you can actually somehow see the Note series still living if we do get the S Pen embedded into the body of the S22 Ultra and also for the Z Fold 4.